All right, first grade, we have one final vocabulary assessment. It is in your yellow supply folder on the assessment side, and it is 22A. So these are on yellow paper, and it's actually the first one. There's two in there. One is 34. This one is 22. You could please go ahead, and if you need to pause the video and grab 22A, Vocabulary Assessment 1. And this is where I will read the questions, and then you will circle either yes or no. All right, so just as a quick review of some of these words, we have talked a lot about the word admire, meaning to, look up to and respect the characteristics of someone else. We talked about the word invisible, meaning, unable to be seen or not seen. Forgiving, meaning that you are willing to, kind of move past someone doing something to you and, forgive them, move on, be okay with it. Gasp is, if you were startled or kind of surprised, you might go gasp. That would be that word. Then we also learned the word honest, right? And honest meaning to tell the truth. Scoured is a word for cleaning and really, good cleaning, like deep cleaning, scoured. And then one other word, creature, right? Some type of living thing, a creature. So those are the words that you will see on today's assessment. So if you want to go ahead and grab, like I said, if you need to pause, grab the paper, and we'll go ahead and go through the questions. The first example is the word clothing. And again, we'll do this one together. The question is, can you wear a piece of clothing? Can you wear a piece of clothing? And the answer is yes. So you can just put a circle around yes. And then that is how you will continue to answer the rest of the questions. Remember, just circle one of the answer choices for each word. And let's go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so we are on number one. So finger on number one. The word is admire. Question is, do you admire someone who is not nice? Do you admire someone who is not nice? Yes or no? Okay, number two, invisible. Is the air invisible? Is the air invisible? Yes or no? Is the air invisible? Okay, number three, forgiving. Can a friend be forgiving? Can a friend be forgiving? Yes or no? Okay, number four, the last on this front page, gasp. Can you gasp with your mouth closed? Remember, gasp is like this. Can you gasp with your mouth closed? Okay, all right, we're going to go ahead to number five. Number five. Number five is, put the screen up, sorry. There we go. Okay, number five, honest. Are you honest when you tell the truth? Honest. Are you honest when you tell the truth? Okay, number six is scoured. Can a banana be scoured? Can a banana be scoured? Number seven, creature. Is a bird a creature? Is a bird a creature? Yes or no? Okay, number 8, invisible. Is your school invisible? Yes or no? Is your school invisible? Okay, number 9, scoured. Can a pot be scoured? Can a pot be scoured? Yes or no? Okay, and number 10, admire. Do you admire someone who is hardworking? Do you admire someone who is hardworking? Yes or no? Okay. All right, almost there. So now we are on number 11, and number 11 is the word gasp. Do you gasp when you are surprised? Gasp. Do you gasp when you are surprised? Number 12, forgiving. Can a bed be forgiving? Can a bed be forgiving? Number 13, honest. Is it honest to lie? Is it honest to lie? All right, and last, number 14, creature. Is a bathtub a creature? Is a bathtub a creature? All right, if you could go ahead and snap a quick picture of the pages and post them here, and we're in good shape. All right, thanks so much. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye, guys.